Welcome back, daisies! So for today, I decided to recreate my artwork when I was in college. Actually, ito yung isa sa mga artwork that I did when I had my first tablet. Ayan siya. This was when I was in first year college. Hindi pa ako din marunong mag-shading, mag-line art, mag-highlight. Ayan. Super beginner pa lang. So now, let's start the art. Of course, we will start with building the body and the structure of the whole drawing. So ayan. Medyo shy yung ating character. And that was my first draft, and then this one is my second draft. It's a bit dynamic than the first one, and I realized now I am not scared na ngayon na mag-explore with the poses, with the colors, unlike before. Ayan, thin lines muna. I started with the thin lines, and then later, I will outline it with darker or thicker na outline. I really suck at line arts, kaya nung nasanay ako sa technique na to, I guess yun yung mas madali for me. And then for the dress naman, she's wearing a ball gown with black top and white tulle. So, kapag nagde-darken ng mga lines sa line art, I always start with the eyes or the face. Hindi ko alam, basta doon ako nag-start. Tsaka nag-add lang ako ng mga additional lines para magkaroon naman siya ng konting detail. Para hindi siya super flat. Yan, especially sa mga curl hairs, sa mga wavy niya na parts. With the line art and the coloring, doon nabubuo yung art style. I mean, I had a hard time also na hanapin yung art style ko, and now, just last year, I finally decided na ito na yun. Na-feel ko na siya talaga. Especially with my animation also. Ganyan din yung process. Frame by frame yun. And then, clean up! And, by the way, dapat nasanay ako na hiwa-hiwalay siya. For example, hiwalay yung line art ng body sa hair, sa dress, sa face, para when you clean it up, mas madaling maglinis ng mga lines after the overall line art. So, that's what I suggest, para kahit na mag-mess up kayo with the other parts, it won't mess up the whole artwork. Let's proceed to coloring. Usually, I start with the skin and then the hair, but sige lang, okay naman. Since flat layers lahat. Don't worry sa mga first layers, it might change later. And then the eyes. Normally, ginagawa ko lang siyang dark brown eyes. Whole yan. Yung eyes. Pero ngayon, medyo lighter siya. And then, dito na tayo sa second coat ng coloring. Ayan, medyo darker or peachy color yung skin. And then, ayan, parang may screen part siya dyan. Skin tone. Tapos, add lang tayo ng konting texture. And then, of course, medyo flat kasi siya eh. So, instead of snowflakes, I just added flowers na lang. Ayan, cute little white flowers. At saka, for the dress, since super flat black lang siya, I will add some parang glitter or beads, white beads, ganun. Then for the lids, ayan. Ayan. So this is the final artwork that I did. The recreated look, the improved look from 2014. So here it is. So I think nag-improve naman. Sana. What do you think? Let me know on the comment box below. What do you think? Feeling ko naman na-achieve natin yung kanyang gown. And then the hair, medyo darker lang siya. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know also if you want more of this content. Or let me know what art challenges do you want me to do for my next video. Thank you for watching. Let's continue growing. Bye!